Let's talk about our AI-powered supply chain management platform, designed specifically for supply chain leaders. This platform brings precision to performance at every level. Here are some of the common challenges organizations face: unpredictable demand patterns, limited visibility, fragmented systems, slow or inaccurate supply and site updates, rising operational costs, high-risk SKUs, weak product traceability, and delays or slow decision-making due to the lack of a single source of truth. Now, let's move on to the features and benefits of our solution. We offer a unified command center where everything is visible in one place, ML-powered decision forecasting, logistics and transport optimization, supplier and risk analytics, and complete end-to-end visibility and traceability across your supply chain. These are the core features that come built into the platform. On top of all this, we also provide a Gen AI bot that gives you instant access to any data you need. Now, let's move into the platform demo and explore how it works. Starting with the dashboards, you can immediately see key insights like the total number of plants, SKUs, suppliers, inventory value, fulfillment rate, and more, all in one consolidated view. You also get ML predictions, demand models, inventory health distribution, optimality status, and additional performance indicators. You can view spend analytics by category, compare supplier performance, assess transport distribution across modes like air, track accuracy trends, and monitor all critical alerts in real time. Next, let's talk about demand forecasting. This module is fully ML-driven. You can view accuracy and confidence levels, seasonal spikes, number of SKUs analyzed, and predictions made for today. You can compare actual versus predicted values to plan proactively. A dedicated card for seasonal demand patterns is also available. You can review ML model accuracy trends, inventory health insights, and AI-driven demand analytics across all SKU categories. Market analytics is included as well, covering key parameters, along with forecast alerts that keep you informed. Now let's move to logistics and transport. Here you can track active shipments, monthly logistics costs, on-time deliveries, average transit times, and delayed orders. You also get mode-wise transport trends to help optimize your logistics strategy. Regional insights are available, along with route optimization tools. You can compare carriers and dive into delay analysis to understand root causes. Logistics alerts further highlight critical issues and ensure timely corrective actions. Moving on to risk and supply. This section focuses on supply risk management. You can view total supply status, reliability scores, on-time performance, quality scores, supplier comparisons, stock-out risk. Supply risk distribution is clearly visualized to help you manage uncertainties effectively. Next is visibility and traceability. Here you can see tracked items, active locations, inventory counts, traceability metrics, and total data points captured. The supply chain visibility map gives a holistic view of product movement. A timeline is also available for complete product traceability, from raw materials to manufacturing, quality checks, and final distribution. You can visualize inventory levels and future predictions, review warehouse traceability by region, and monitor visibility alerts in real time. And on top of everything, you also get a general system-wide performance search powered by Gen AI, allowing you to ask any question you want. We also have a dedicated FAQs section for quick reference. Now you can book a time with us to explore more. This is a smart, comprehensive platform built for modern supply chain excellence. Want to know more? Contact our experts and manage your supply chain with AI intelligence. Email us at marketing@𝗵𝗲metric.com. Subscribe to us at 𝗵𝗲metric Official and visit our website www.𝗵𝗲metric.com. Thank you for watching.